Hi everyone, it is now Monday the 27th of April. Tomorrow is my 8th wedding anniversary. Can you believe it? 8 years with Win. How the heck did I endure that? Just kidding. Okay, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to do a review. Not a review, sorry, I fib. I'm not doing a review. I'm going to share with you some hardware and leather options. The small leather. I'm going to let Win help me with the rolls of vinyl I have. For now, we're just going to go through the little stuff. Okay? And I'll show you some of the new rainbow beading I got. I did buy silver hardware, and I'll be dag blasted. I don't know where the heck I put it. I didn't look up here, though. That's where I didn't look. But I don't think I put it up here, either. I'm confuzzled, to say the least. I don't know. It'll turn up. Oh, and in the last video, I asked if anybody knows about jump rings. I bought some. Scratch that. I'm good. I forgot I bought them. Okay, so I'm going to start with, and I haven't used any of these yet. I'm actually going to get Win. I might start tonight. I might. But I have all different kinds, sizes of rivets. And it looks like I need some kind of a mallet that I don't have. But look, I have all kinds of rivets to go on my handles and that, and on my bags. If I like them and they're popular, I might invest in a snap press. But for now, I have not, because I don't know. We shall see. I also have a bunch of different purse feet. These are, I think, antique bronze. And these are all different colors in this. None of this have I used yet. You know, so when you put your purse, your bag down, it doesn't get dirty. So we have a whole bunch of purse feet. And rivets. Again, I have not even begun to touch. And then there's some patterns I'll be doing that have clasps. I want to show you guys these. These come in 3 colors, but this is one of my favorites. This dark nickel, gunmetal, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to venture into wallets, I think. And, well, we'll do it, then we'll talk. Because I was trying to tell Chucky what I would like him to do. We'll see if he does it. Getting him to do something's like pulling teeth some days. So, I don't know. We'll see what he does. Okay, so this is a purse clasp. Okay? Isn't that a gorgeous bee? But check this out. This is how you open it. You lift the boom boom. It's hard when it's not attached to something. And you pull the hiney out. Oh, it's so hard. There we go. And you pull the hiney out, and that's how you open it. I just love it. There we go. Isn't that cute? And it comes in the dark one. It comes in like a antique gold. And a beautiful silver. I love silver too. Silver's class. And then it comes in a shiny gold. And then I have these, which are also very pretty. There's only 3 of these. It's, your nickel, your silver, and your gold. It's a bird. And then it closes. I'm not really sure. I didn't even operate this one. Let me see. Oh, okay. Just simply like a so. Just turn its little thing. So yeah, I have those clasps so far, because I really haven't gotten that far into clasp and all that fandango dango, because I was just doing my bags. I do have a bunch of bags from bag patterns from a lot of designers, but I would like to do my own bags with stuff before I You know, I just want to do my own thing right now. So these are the two colors right now. I do have other colors coming. I would show you silver, but I cannot show you what I do not have. And I'm so upset. I don't know where I put them. Aha. Nope, that's gunmetal. Oy vey. Oh, I'll show you this too. Here's silver. That's silver. You guys already saw this silver. This is a thinner silver, but it's still the silver. Okay. I use this silver on your bags. You're already purchasing from me, but it is a silver, a thinner silver, because you don't need this thick of it. The thicker silver I bought is for the heavier bags. I'm already using this thinner silver, which you've already seen there on your bags, like I said. It's this. But this, what I'm talking about, is a more thick, shiny like this. It's totally different. And it's more expensive. I mean, they're expensive in themselves, but these are really expensive. So I have rainbow, I have gunmetal, and I have rose gold, light gold, and silver coming, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. And then I have, these go on the ends of zippers, I think. You know what? I can't remember when I bought them. I have to look it up. I don't even know. And then I bought rainbow footsers. Not a lot, because I wasn't going to use them a lot. And then I bought little rainbow sea beads, because a lot of my customers really like the rainbow deal. And then I bought a bunch of bigger rainbow, so when I do my zipper charms. So that's that for the hardware portion for now. Oh, shoot. That was my big tub of zippers. I know you saw my big tub of zippers, but I got a lot of different ones coming, because they have all different, let me show you. There's silver zipper tape. I'm nuts over this one. This is vanilla silver. These are your bronzes. I just got these. This is rust, cinnamon, teal. Can you say gorgeous? This is spearmint, maybe, silver, rainbow black. These are just solid colors. Gold and lime. Rainbow on white. Gunmetal on hot pink and sunshine yellow. Hold on, Grace wants in the bedroom. Okay, honey. You want pee-pee, now you go night-night, huh? They all go to bed with their duty while Mommy stays up and works. Okay, and this is clear. I forget what colors they are. It's like, and you cannot get it. They're sold out, so I covet this. This is the clear with the, it's unicorn, cotton candy, and I forget the other one. So I do have the Phoenix. Phoenix, unicorn, and cotton candy. Gunmetal and white, like, hello. Metallic rainbow. Silver on orange, purple, and, oh, I wound this the wrong way. Silver on orange, hot pink, and purple. Hold on, I fixed this so you can see it. Just red. There's my teal, purple, yellows. mustard and bronze. This is rainbow on daisy, purple. It's not fuchsia, I forget what she calls it, and navy. And then just more solids. And I do have other zippers coming. I have a rose gold kit. I forget what all. I have zippers coming. I just did 2 zipper orders, so I have more options. And then I'll show you some zipper pulls, because there's options there. And this is why I say, like, they're all separate. Like, some of these zipper pull, like, this zipper tape is $2.50. This zipper tape is $4.50. This zipper tape is $3.50. They're all different. So I cannot give a person a price on a bag unless I know what I'm putting on your bag. I just can't. It's impossible. Okay, so that's that. Let me move the baby's blanket. All right, now let's talk zipper pulls. Oh, there went my zippers. Kaboomski. Okay, you could just sit there. Okay, so we got gold flowers. Still gold flowers. Silver flowers. I'll pull them out. Oh, look, my silver hardware. Now I'm happy. Why didn't I look there? This is the silver. See, it's thicker. Okay. And this one comes with rivets. Snap rivets. It's just like a little set for a, yeah. Okay. Just plain red, because that came with a kit. The kit was that little roll of red was a kit. And these are assorted pulls for the colors, which I don't have near enough of. Just regular silver. Regular gunmetal. More hardware. Okay, these are bronze. Regular pulls. Okay, let's pull this one out. This is the rainbow flower. So pretty, eh? Love it. And then we have rainbow regular. Rainbow butterfly. And this one I'm going to show you next. I didn't even realize, I forgot I had it. I didn't put that on any of my bags. But I'm going to start. Oh wait, okay, this one's rainbow star. Can you see that? I know I saw butterfly. Hold on, guys. I know this is mixed up. Oh, this was a rainbow assortment. That's why. That's why I didn't know I had this. Okay, that's why I didn't know. I knew I didn't order these. And a rainbow heart. I didn't know they were that pretty. I normally don't like hearts. This was a rainbow assortment. That's exactly why I didn't know I had this. Yeah, the rest I do have. Okay. I have the stars. I have the butterflies. I have the flowers. I did not have those hearts. I'm going to have to order them when I order pulls again. Really pretty. That's why. Okay, now these are tassels, which I'll show you what you can do with these. I can either, these are zipper pulls as well, see? So I can either, and these have screws, yep, they're screw-in. See, they have little screws. So I can either take my bits of vinyl, cut them up myself, and put them in, or I bought a big basket of all different colors, and I can just chop them up and do my thing. I didn't buy the basket, but I bought a whole bunch of little... But believe me, I have enough bits and bobs of my own that I could do it. So, I don't really need that. Okay, so there's them. Iced coffee. The other thing I had to eat today was 2 yogurts. Second iced coffee. I don't eat much. Okay, these are D-ring pulls, and they do a lot of different things on these. I'm going to be doing a lot of charm pulls. I have a lot of charms, and when I see stuff that fits my bags, I grab them. But these are D-ring pulls. I had them in gunmetal so far. I mean, look at all these options I have for you just in that stuff. And I'm not done. Up, I fibbed to you. I did buy a bag of hearts. There they are. I didn't even know I bought them. I fibbed to my doggone self. Here is D-ring silver. Rainbow regular. Rainbow butterfly. Rainbow regular. I have a lot of rainbow. Yeah, okay, here's rainbow D-ring, and then I got these different color. I've used these on some of your bags. Rainbow bag. Bronze bag. Whoops. Rose gold bag. Silver bag. And gold bag. I really like these. So cute. And these are my stars. These are the rainbow stars. I'm trying to make them stop. Here we go. So, I mean, I have a plethora of zipper pulls in addition to all that other stuff. I have a lot. You can really, really make a very unique to you bag with a ton of options just in hardware. Zippers, feet, rivets, actual straps, connectors, hardware alone. I mean, I have the hardware alone that I put in your bags is not cheap. So, and I mean, I know I've brought up price before. I know I have, but I'm bringing it up again. Even these pulls, they're like, these guys are like, I think this bag was $8. And I have 4 of them. That makes it $2 a piece. And I didn't even add the tassel part to it. It's just for the metal part. I mean, I'm buying expensive items to put in your bag to give you the best bag I can give you out there. So I guess what I'm trying to say in a roundabout way is my price point is justified, is what I'm saying. I'm not putting $50 on a $5 bag. You know what I'm saying? I would never do that. That's like highway robbery, man. I would be so mad if somebody did that to me. So, let's move on. After I put this away, I shall show you. Let me throw these back up there. I want to put everything away so it doesn't get all messed up. And of course I have a bunch of magnetic snaps. I'm prepared to make all kinds of bags, let me tell you. Okay, now let's do the vinyl because I'm only 19 in. We're good. I don't have too much vinyl. Okay, let's go with the solids first. Now remember, I'm going to do the big rolls when Wynn's awake, and we could do it together. So for now, I'm just going to show you these little rolls. It's Croc. Wait till you see my Croc collection. Ooh, I love Croc vinyl. That's glitter. None of them are solid. Wait, this is solid. It's going to be easy. This will be quick. Did I have a black up here? I do not. Wait, what's this? Not black. Okay. That's a glitter. I already have a Croc. Those are all glitter. Yeah. Okay. So let's start with my solids. You all have seen my hot pink. Okay. Which is extremely popular. I can't keep my hot pink stocked. This is yellow. This is beautiful. Bright, gorgeous, gorgeous yellow to die for. Beautiful. And it matches so many of my fabrics. Let me show you a good one. Let me show you this for a bag. This is fabric I just got in. Just to give you an idea of something. I saw this fabric and I had to grab it. Imagine this for a beautiful spring bag. And I'll show you a couple different options while I'm up here. Or while I have this out. Okay, let me take these off. Okay, so this is your yellow. Now, no, there's not yellow in this per se, but look at this. And then also you could pair it with the melon. Holy Moses. And this is a melon. Or you could throw that hot pink in there. Hello. Can you imagine? Like, look at the bag I could make you. Can you say summer? Spring? Gorgeous? Just an idea. Okay, so there's your yellow. Oops. Hot pink. This is called Melon, and it is absolutely stunning. I hope it's true to color. It looks it from my end. It really does. Let me get some more light over this way. Here we go. This is Tangerine Marine, because it has like a texture to it. See, the marine part, it's not as smooth. Yeah, that's definitely true to color. This is one of my favorites. I think this might be olive. Oh my God, I love it. Love it. My favorite color is sage, which is the color that Billy did my coin purse in. But I do love any shade of green. Green is my favorite, bar none. This is crimson. My favorite colors used to be burgundy and hunter green. Look at that for class. Gorgeous. Crimson. Fall's coming. So is Christmas. Just saying. This is mulberry sorbet. Oh, this is glittered. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this. Hello. Oh, my Lanta. Hello. Don't tell me that ain't schmexy. This is black. This is very classy. Nothing says class like black. I don't know what this one's called, but this is really nice. Oh, I lied. Light taupe marine. Very pretty. Very pretty. And it's called marine because it has like that texture. See the texture? Whereas, let's see. The black, wait, let me get the black back. The black is smooth. Is it? Nope. Black is textured. Hold on. Let me, that's textured. What one is not textured? Textured. Was it the yellow? Textured. Hold on. I know one was not textured. You know what? Make a liar out of me. They're all textured. Never mind. Textured. Light marine taupe. This one I love. It is cornflower. Too pretty for words. And did I already open this one? I did, or did I not? What's this one? I did not. This one's maroon. This one is gorgeous too. Hi, Oliver. Hi, Oliver. Bye, Oliver. That boy's a riot. This one's maroon. Also absolutely classy, gorgeous. So those are your solid colors, okay? Your solid, no texture, no design. Well, texture, but not design. Now, are you ready for this? Let's go Croc. Because I love Croc. I'm a sucker for the Croc. You know, I don't carry a handbag. I don't like them. They're a pain in the badutski. But I love making them. I can appreciate them. It's just like I can appreciate a lot of things. That don't mean I want them or don't mean I use them. But I love making handbags, and I love like looking at them and admiring them. And you know, it's just like I can admire a beautiful woman. That doesn't mean I want her. I can look at like Halle Berry. She's absolutely stunning, gorgeous. That's it. That's all she is to me. She's not something I desire. Same thing with a handbag. And yes, I know that's a stupid analogy. I'm just saying. I desire men, not women. I desire to look at handbags, but I don't desire to own handbags. It's kind of the same thing, only I guess I kind of went on a rabbit trail there. You're all probably going, what in the world is she saying? Just my way of thinking. Sometimes I don't make sense, but that's my way of thinking. I think weird. I don't know. I think weird. Anyway, I have been carrying a wrister, and I absolutely love it, but I might make myself a fancy bag. And the reason I'm saying this is because when I show you this, if I make myself a fancy bag, this is what it's going to be made of. Because I'm not a fancy person, but when I do get dressed, I get dressed, especially since I lost weight. I do the whole, I'm black and silver all the way. And I just got beautiful silver earrings. And one of my good friends on here, she bought me beautiful silver necklaces, silver balls that I wanted so bad. I love you again. Thank you so much. And I have beautiful black clothing. Whew. And I could just picture this. Oh my God. Can you say white Croc? Can you say class all the way? I mean, oh my God. Hello. And then I have this that I've been hoarding. This is mine. Period, end of conversation. This is mine. It's a remnant. I got it for like $2, and I love leopard. I mean, I am a leopard. I'm like, hello, with this as an accent. Probably like maybe even the strap or whatever. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I will design my bag. Special for me. Look at the black and the white Croc. Oh my God. Or maybe I'll go black Croc and just, I don't know. Oh my God. I'm like drooling. You can't see it, but I'm drooling. Anyway, back to the vinyl. White Croc. I'm in love. In love. Class all the way. And I'm not a classy person, but I can appreciate class. Total class all the way. Black. To die for. Gorgeous. Man, woman, it don't matter. Stunning. Here comes a nice one. This is what the bee bag was made out of, and I didn't have enough. This gorgeous variegated yellow. Look at that. Ay vey. To die for. They only had one sheet of it, and then she started doing it in rolls, which I was really, really happy about. Now, that's variegated, okay? I have 3 variegateds. This is, no, I have 2. Well, this is kind of. This is what Billy's is made out of. That's Billy's. That's not variegated. That's Billy's orange. Okay, my camera did the funny thing again. There's Billy's orange. Her new handbag. I have sheets of a variegate I'll have to grab. This is a blue variegated. Look at that. Hocka flippin' Louie. Stunning. Just stunning. And I'm pretty sure this red is a solid. Solid red. Oh my God. I'm telling you guys, you can't tell I love this Croc. I mean, I'm crazy over it. Just crazy over it. I love it. So now let me go grab the green quick. I actually thought I bought a roll of green. Apparently I did not. That's okay. I'm the green lover. Okay. This is a very, very pretty green. Very pretty green. There's your green. It actually goes this way. Or this way. I don't really know. Whatever. Isn't that a beautiful green? Very summery, springy. I love it. Love it, love it. Okay, I'm at 31 minutes. Let's get through this. All right. So, now, this is the new one I got, but I'll save that. Let's go through the glitters is next. I don't have much of these glitters, but I do have some. Oh, this one is very pretty. This made this handle. Oh, okay. This is this. I don't know what. I think it's minty. Such a pretty handle. And I used a rainbow. That's this. It's like a mint green. Very pretty. This one is like a dark purple. Again, very pretty. I don't know what I used that on, but I have a short stint of that. I don't know what the heck that was about. But again, it can be ordered. This is, it was called like a silver. It's not black. Oh, I love this one. Silver. Gorgeous. This is beautiful. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Seriously. And then I have, is this the same? Yep, okay, I have a lot of that purple. That's what happened. I cut a piece off. I have a lot of that purple. Here it is. I have a lot of it. I was wondering what was up with that. Didn't make sense. And I didn't remember using but a little bit of it. This is like, this is called Hot Pink. And it's true to color. They have so many glitters, it's like insane. But this is what I bought, and this is bubblegum pink. Do you see the glitter in that? I mean, and it is like that. It is like, hello! It's like glitter, glitter, glitter. Imagine that out in the sun. You'd be like shining. I know when I wear my Victoria's Secret clothing that has the glitter in it, it's like I'm shining way down. It's like craziness. They'll know you're coming. And then I have these. I did do that one bag with it. The Americana bag I showed with the star, which is, I'll show you, it's still here. Just to refresh you. And I do have vinyl like this, the leather like this, quilted. I have purple and I have this dark blue. They do have other colors, but this is what that star looks like, done in a bag. Here's some of the charms I make, the charm pulls. Whoops. Zipper pulls, zipper charms, whatever you want to call them. And this is one of my wristers, for those that didn't see it. And this was the pattern I used for that market tote that I gave to Kevin's wife. Same print. And then I also have it in a, this is called blue tint. Let me open it so you can, oh, this one's open. This one's pretty too. So those are more your see-through. That's what I'm showing you now. My see-through, glitter, and stars. Okay? And this one is rainbow stars. Let's go all rainbow, shall we? Isn't that beautiful? I haven't used this at all yet, but I have 2 rolls of it, but I didn't show anybody yet for you guys to even order it. I didn't do anything with it, and I've had it for quite some time. And I know you've all seen this, but I'll show you again. I have the pink clear vinyl, the pink clear glitter vinyl. They have this new rose. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And I want to get it, but it's $25 a yard plus 11 shipping. So I'm paying $36 for this stuff a yard. That's why my glitter bags are so high. I mean, they're like a lot of money, and they have to be. I mean, I'm paying $36 a yard for this stuff. And this one is just class all the way. I love it, the smoke. And this is all I have left of an entire yard. That's it. And I only got 2 bags out of it, and this. It don't go far. It really does not. And then I have the purple. Okay, catch that glitter. Yep, there it is. And I don't know, is this silver or is this clear? I think this is silver. No. This is the clear glitter vinyl. This is just clear. And then I saved my 2 specials for last. And Alicia, this one is what I'm going to show you for your unicorn. And then this is just the clear glitter. See? So that's what I have on hand, in-house, in stock. But there's a lot of choices. I mean, a lot of choices. Now I'm going to show you my 2 specialties that are going to rock your socks. One I just got, and this one here I've had for a very long time. Done nothing with it. I've just been hanging on to it. This one I had probably when I first started ordering these rolls of leather vinyl. Doesn't shock you, I hope, that I bought this, because I'm just like all about cheetah, leopard. Is that not to die for? And it's like suede backed. Oh my god, it is absolutely gorgeous. I don't even know if she still has this. I didn't even look, and I order from her a lot. Have to check. Okay, Alicia, this is what I was telling you about for the unicorn. Hello, and then all that rainbow hardware. I can make you a gorgeous to die for handbag like Billy's. Bigger, however you want it. I mean, hello. This is like holographic. So, they are some of your choices. And then I have really, the other leather is pretty, it's the smooth leather. Some's textured. I do have Croc leather that's brown. Yeah, it's Croc, but it's different. It's higher end. It looks like high-end handbag leather. It's really high-end. It's not like this stuff. It looks like what you find if you walk in Macy's. But it's not. It's still not real. I would never have real anything that came off a precious animal. No, I don't even like meat. So, there you go, guys. Did I boggle your mind? I would suggest, I'm not going to take pictures of all this. I have so much going on. Maybe I can get Wynn to take pictures at some point, but he's just going to be in my way back here. I would suggest slow motion, go through the video, kind of jot down what you like, and then come back at me. I kind of told you basically, you know, the colors as best as I could. Did I show you this? This is sky blue glitter. I don't think I showed you this. I did not. Sky blue glitter. Look at that one. I did not show you this. This is sky blue glitter. That's beautiful. Yeah, so just take your time and go through. And I'm going to say this one more time. I do not have a problem with you guys paying on an invoice. My only terms, I will say one more time, I'm custom making your bag. When you custom order and PayPal will back me, that's it. You custom ordered. So when you give me the money, that goes into my business and it funds what I'm doing. I don't have like a big business fund. I gotta fund my business. So if you don't follow through, you basically donate it, is what happens. So I encourage you to follow through, especially with my very loose, I would say, kind terms. I don't require you to put any amount down, and I don't require you to make payments every so bloop, bloop, bloop. It's okay. I get it. Handbags are a necessity to carry our things. Sure they are, but these kind of bags are not a necessity. These are a luxury, and I get that, especially now. So I'm willing to help you guys, because if I didn't make them, I'd probably want one of these, because they're banging. And I will toot my own horn. These bags are beautiful that I make. And I'm sorry, I'm not meaning to be conceited, but I make beautiful bags, and I'm proud of them. And I stand by my bags. And I know what I put into them, my heart, my materials, my time, I buy the best of the best. I mean, I could probably buy more expensive out there, of course, but then I'm going to even be more expensive, you know what I'm saying? But these materials that I buy, I assure you, are very, very quality materials. They're excellent materials, and the suppliers I have are amazing. So with that said, I'm more than willing to, you want a bag like Billy's, you want a bigger bag than Billy's, get a hold of me, customize your bag. Don't be afraid of my price point. My price point is justified, I promise you that. You're getting a handmade, one of a kind, sewn in an industrial machine with top of the line thread, the same thread used for flipping sails on sailboats, for the love of God. Your bag is going to last you. And I make market bags. I'm going to link Shelly's video again in this video so you can see the market bag I made Shelly, because I didn't show them. Kevin picked his up in the morning and I shipped Shelly's right away, so I didn't do a video or nothing. I was tired that night. I think I worked till, that night I was monkeying with my thread and all upset because my thread was being crazy. And there's another crossbody strap out in the kitchen. I jacked 3 crossbody straps I destroyed. That's a whole roll of this stuff, an entire roll, which is not cheap, not happy. So yeah, please, if you want a bag, you can get one here. You can afford it. I mean, I can't be any more lenient than make payments. PayPal allows you to do that, and I'm allowing you to do it at your leisure. So, if you really want a bag, you can get one. I'm more than willing to work with you. I understand. I do, especially now. You got priorities and a bag ain't it. I get it. I really do. But the other thing is, I won't start your bag till it's paid. I mean, I could probably sell it, because no matter what, these bags are beautiful. But still, I won't start a bag until it's paid in full, because if I have to order supplies, then, which I've been doing a lot of ordering, a lot. So, because every order, it seems like there's something I don't have, or y'all are requesting something I didn't have, or a color I didn't have. And and I have all clear vinyl, the clear vinyl. I'll show you this quick. The regular clear vinyl, and the only color I have right now is the yellow clear. That's it. So those are the other options. And tomorrow sometime, possibly, depending on what goes on, I will see if Wynn will help me show you the big rolls, what we got here. And my other folded, well, that up there folded is what's on the big rolls. And then that down there is different. That's the first vinyl I ever got. I bought in 1 and 2 yard increments, because that's how I started out, 1 and 2 yards. So, thank you for letting me share all my treasures with you that can be part of your custom bag made by Boltz Bagz, and I get so excited to do this. I love it. I love to, you know, one thing I will say, I'm not a designer. I can't. And, you know, Dawn laid it out for me, and I will say, Dawn, I struggled a little bit. I'm still struggling with the zipper pocket part. I'll get there. I'll be all right. But, it's a little bit of a struggle, but since I did Billy's, I think I got it, because I did Billy's with no pattern. The whole inside was me, and that was kind of practice. And I told her that I have to practice because I got to do Dawn's bag when that interfacing comes. So I threw Billy's bag in there and I did it, so I knew, you know, I had an idea what I was doing, and it went over with not a whatever. And that's why I also got the extra yard of fabric, because if God forbid I nuts up your panel, I'm covered. So yeah, I mean, so anyway, what I'm trying to say is I'm not a bag designer, and I do what I can. Don't throw something crazy at me. Don't say, well, I wanted to go this way, and then just say, you know, I'd like a pocket or whatever. Don't throw crazy stuff at me, please, please, please. That'll make me get nervous, worked up, and take all the love out of it for me. So don't do that to me. Just tell me I want a bag with this and this and these materials, and I'll rock you the best bag out my fingers are capable of. Okay? you do that for me, and I'll get a banging bag in your hands. I promise you that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to cut it off. We're at 46 minutes, but I wanted to share everything with you, and I'm going to Skinny mixes sugar-free cherry syrup. Yeah, Jordan Skinny Syrups now has cherry. He likes stuff like that. I drink coffee. That's all I drink. Iced coffee. I live on it. So, I'm going to bid you adieu. I'm going to say thank you so much for being here with me. If you are just happening upon my channel, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Let's see. I think it's that corner. I don't remember. Last time I went that way. This time I'm going to go this way. It's been a long time since I did this, because I've been recording in the living room. Please take a minute. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell and the all, so you'll get notified each and every time I upload. Please do share me with your friends, family, and social media. Hopefully they'll like my channel, stick around, subscribe, and maybe they might need something crocheted with yarn and hook, and maybe they'll need a Boltz bag in their life, or maybe they'll just need a little bit of me in their life. Who knows? Hopefully something that I have to offer will be of interest to them. Anyway, please, please be safe. God bless. Please make sure you wash those hands, get in between, sing happy birthday twice, ABCs 56 times, whatever you got to do. Mask over the nose. Make sure it's no gappy gaps under the chin. Please don't rub your eyes, touch your face. Oh God, when I see people do that, I want to go through the roof. Just be safe, please. God bless you all, and God bless the world, you know. I love you all. Talk to you soon. Maybe tomorrow. I got some stuff going. I'm going to get off here, release the first video, and get working on what I can from my orders, and get a little shut-eye, and I'm going to get back at it in the morning. All right? I'll see y'all soon. Email me, not call me. Email me if I can put a bag together for you. And again, I'll be as easy as I can with those terms for you. I understand that my bags are not exactly cheap, but they're also not cheaply made. And money's tight right now. I get it. Believe me, I get it. So yeah, that's the best I can do, but I'm willing to work with everybody. All right, guys. For now, I'm going to bid you adieu, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you all. Bye.